What exactly is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program, a powerful tool used for organizing, analyzing, and visualizing data. It is part of the Microsoft 365 suite, formerly known as Microsoft Office, and is available on Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and iPad OS. Core functionality spreadsheets. Excel uses a grid of rows and columns called a worksheet. Each intersection of a row and column is a cell where you can enter text, numbers, dates, or formulas. Formulas and functions. Excel allows you to perform complex calculations using built-in formulas and functions. These can manage everything from basic arithmetic to statistical analysis and financial modeling. Data analysis tools. Excel provides a variety of tools to analyze data. You can sort and filter data, create pivot tables for summarizing information, and use data validation to ensure data accuracy. Data visualization. Charts and graphs. Excel allows you to create various charts and graphs to visually represent your data. These can be helpful in identifying trends, patterns, and relationships within your data. Formatting and customization. You can format the appearance of your spreadsheets with fonts, colors, borders, and conditional formatting. This helps to improve readability and highlight essential information. Uses of Microsoft Excel. Business and finance. Excel is widely used in businesses of all sizes for financial analysis, budgeting, forecasting, and accounting. Data analysis and research. Researchers and analysts use Excel to organize, analyze, and visualize data from various sources. Project management. Excel can be used to create project plans, track tasks, and manage resources. Personal use. Many people use Excel for personal budgeting, creating to-do lists, and tracking expenses. Find and open Microsoft Excel. There are several ways to find and open Microsoft Excel, depending on your operating system, Windows or macOS, and the version of Microsoft Office you have. Here are the methods. Start menu. Click on the Start button, usually bottom left corner or in center of the screen. In the search bar, type Excel. As you type, Windows search should automatically start suggesting applications. Click on the Microsoft Excel icon to launch the program. The Excel Start screen might not be available in all versions, especially the most recent ones. Here's what it typically offers. New blank workbook creates a new empty spreadsheet for you to start from scratch. Recent workbooks shows a list of recently opened workbooks for quick access. Templates provides access to pre-designed spreadsheets for common tasks like budgets, invoices, or calendars. This can save you time creating your own from scratch. Search online templates allows you to search online for more specific templates from Microsoft or third-party providers. In newer versions of Excel, Microsoft has moved away from the Start screen and focuses on opening recent workbooks or creating new ones directly after launching the application. The Excel interface consists of several key elements that help you organize, analyze, and visualize your data. Here's a breakdown of the main components. Ribbon, located at the top of the window, the ribbon contains various tabs. with buttons and icons. Each tab groups commands related to specific tasks. Some common tabs include Home for formatting cells, entering data, using basic formulas, and editing. Insert for adding charts, tables, pictures, and other objects to your spreadsheet. Page layout for setting margins, headers, footers, and overall sheet presentation for printing. Formulas for advanced calculations, functions, and formula auditing tools. Data for sorting, filtering, managing external data, and creating pivot tables for data analysis. Quick Access Toolbar. This toolbar sits above the ribbon and provides shortcuts to frequently used commands. You can customize it to add your preferred functions. Formula bar. This bar displays the content of the currently selected cell. You can enter data, edit text, or write formulas directly in this bar. Worksheet area. The main grid-like area where your data resides. It's composed of rows, numbered, and columns identified by letters. Each intersection of a row and column is a cell where you enter your information. Status bar. This bar at the bottom of the window displays information about the selected cell, such as sum mode, alignment, and editing status. Sheet tabs. These tabs at the bottom of the window represent different worksheets within your workbook. A single Excel file can hold multiple worksheets. Okay, we presently have an Excel worksheet open, but we haven't saved it. So, when you save a worksheet, for the first time, we want to navigate to the file and then select Save as not from here. We need to decide where we want to save this file. On our computer, you may browse, search for a location, or simply click on this PC. And right now, it says we are saving to the My Documents folder. I could modify the location by clicking here, but My Documents will do for the time being. Now, right away under that, we need to give this example a name, which I'll simply call Demo. Click the Save button. So, if we shut this and go to My Documents, we should see that it has saved right here and we can access the backup. It will lead us to the workbook. Now that we have our demo save workbook open, I'm going to make a few modifications to the cells, and then if I click save right here in our quick access toolbar or by Ctrl+S, I can save the file. That means we have saved all of the updates we just made. So quickly, I want to close Excel and open to save backups. Our modifications are still there. Let's think you want to make some changes to this workbook without overwriting the original. So, for example, I'll only enter 1 and 2 in these cells. Now I'm going to go back to the file and save as an option rather than save, because I'll be saving over my old work. I saved this document as Demo 2. Finally, shut Excel. So now my documents have two files, Demo and Demo 2. So, If I open Demo 2, it will have all of the modifications that I previously made, and if I open Demo, the original one. So, we may open Excel documents directly from the file location by double-clicking. Or we can go to File, Open and select one of the files in our recent folder. Alternatively, access your PC's Documents folder and open the file from here.
I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel